Walking away seems counterproductive, doesn't it? How could walking away or leaving a lady actually increase attraction? I can almost hear what you are saying through the screen right now. Won't she just move on? Now, the truth is, ladies do find this really attractive. Crazy, I know. And it makes you more powerful in our eyes when we see this. So in today's video, we are going to learn why walking away from a woman instantly, and I mean it, instantly increases attraction. So if you have ever been thinking, should I just walk away from her? Well, this video is going to give you the answers that you have been searching for. You become challenging. If you have been chasing someone but getting nowhere in return, it's disheartening. In fact, it really hurts. And it's no surprise to you when you finally give up and walk away. To the other person though, you suddenly do become a challenge. They have had you hanging around for so long, attending to their every whim, normally being the first one to arrange a date or to message them first. But all of a sudden, you are no longer interested in doing that. Put simply, you are done. Now the lady will suddenly be very attracted to you. Ladies like this enjoy a challenge. They don't care when people dote on them and give them everything they want. These women want to work for it. They want to fight for the chance to be with them. No matter what they do not want you to be available 24/7. They want you to be hard to get. Confusing, right? So when you suddenly say, I have had enough, and then you leave, they're like, oh my gosh, I need to work for him. And they will contact you and try to win you back. And if you really like the lady, you should go back. Don't, however, immediately dote on her for the relationship to work. She needs that challenge. You will need to not be available sometimes and say the favorite word, no. It will increase attraction, including the sexual attraction, and keep her coming back for more. Another reason why it works is because absence makes the heart grow fonder. And I'm sure you've heard that saying 1,000 times. And it relates to how when someone is not around, we suddenly want them more. This does not just apply to romantic relationships. When we don't see our family and our friends for a while, we suddenly miss them a lot. We remember all the great times we had together and how we felt when we were around them. So when we see them again, well, we're just full of happiness and we're so grateful. And the same thing applies with romantic relationships. Sometimes things can grow pretty stale. You have been around each other a lot and you've spent so much time together in and out each other's pockets that the chat dries up and you end up in different rooms on your phones and you just don't feel close to each other anymore. And this is when spending time apart works amazingly well. Walking away allows you both time to think about what you really want, and your lady will be non-stop thinking about you, I promise. All she will want is to see you again. You might find that suddenly she phoned you saying, I miss you, please come back. And when you go back, you might find that the chat between you both and the energy around you is a lot more electrifying. And in the future, you will know that if you both need to spend some time apart, you really get to appreciate other when you do so. So maybe once every few months, you guys can go on trips away from each other. If you are suddenly finding that your relationship is, well, a little boring, maybe time to walk away so that the hearts can grow stronger. She will miss the good times. Maybe you have both been fighting a lot and little arguments here and there. Well, it's all gonna add up, isn't it? So you are wondering, where has the old relationship gone? You used to have so much fun. There was dates, walking along the beach, and all of the holidays that you both went on. But now everything is an argument and you just can't handle it anymore. So what should you do? You walk away. You go have your alone time and you get to think about the past. If you are thinking about what it used to be like, well, that means she is too. And she will really start to miss the good times, remembering how much fun you used to have together. She will suddenly feel really bad about all of those little arguments and realize that none of the stuff really mattered. She'll just want more of the good times and will be thinking that it was a really powerful move for you to have that courage to walk away. And with this realization, you will find that she will make contact with you. And if the relationship blooms again, she will be more attracted to you and only focusing on having more good times. She will think that you hold all the power. Powerful men are so damn sexy. There is an image that you can only be a powerful man if you have a super successful career, but the truth is simply not that. Powerful men can also be men that have values and stick to them, or men that walk away when they know it's the right time to do so. If you say, this isn't what I want our relationship to be like, and if this carries on, I'm gonna walk away, she might think, yeah, right, whatever. So when you do walk away, it's gonna be such a powerful move. She will suddenly realize that you hold the power to do this, and you have taken yourself away from her. You will find the use of this power so attractive, and in no time, she'll be asking for you back, or she will be trying her best to seduce you. Be ready for this, because if you want to go back to her, well, you can, but make sure you lay down some fundamental rules though, so that it doesn't happen again. And if you don't want to go back, she will be left regretting the way that she treated you and will always remember you as a powerful man. You will become mysterious in her eyes. When you walk away, all sorts of thoughts are going to be flooding her brain. Literally every single thing. She's going to be thinking, what will he be doing now that he's walking away? Who is he talking to? Who is he seeing? Who is the person that was flirting with him in the workplace? Is he now attracted to her? Is he thinking about me? She is going to be obsessing, but the biggest question she's going to be thinking is, will he come back to me? And there will be thousands more questions. You will suddenly become this very mysterious person to her. Sure, she used to know everything about you, but that was before you made the powerful decision to walk away. And you will be this mysterious enigma to her, which is so sexy and very attractive to a lady. And she will welcome you back with open arms and be more attracted to you than she ever has been before. Your value increases. When you walk away from a lady, your value suddenly increases. She will instantly see you as someone who is not disposable. You have the power to leave her, therefore you won't be hanging around and meeting her every whim. This is attractive and means she has to work for you. And it's the thrill of the chase, and women love to chase. We do have a video dedicated to that, so go check it next. But she will really value you being around her and spending time with her. She is more likely to make more of an effort with you and be the one to do things like arranging the dates. The fear of FOMO, which stands for the fear of missing out, will be so overwhelming that she cannot bear to think about all those cool things that you will be doing. In a lady's head, she will assume that if you keep having fun times without her, you are going to get over her much quicker. So that basically means as soon as you walk away and go do your own thing, and she hears that you've been out on those fishing trips, she knows that you've had a job promotion, she starts to feel that she decreases her value. Her true feelings for you will show. This one is simple. If you walk away and she comes running back, she has those deep feelings for you. If you walk away and she does as well, her feelings for you have disappeared. And if this happens, it was not meant to be. You can both move on with your own lives and find someone who would always come running back to you. So now you know a little bit more about the power of walking away from women. Will you be trying it out for yourself? Let me know in the comments below. If you think I missed something from today's video, let me know down in the comments. Give me a huge thumbs up and consider subscribing to make my day. But if you want to get your name rolling up next to my face, like these amazing people's names here, then all you have to do is click the link in the description bar below to find out a little bit more. Have an amazing day. See you soon.